Okay.
We're digging trenches.
Building a house.
Woo!
You're gonna take it back to the stage.
40 acres and a mule, right?
This is my backup job when I get back.
Luckily, it's not too hot.
Love it.
So we're a couple of hours into the build.
Thank you.
Mountains as well. Great venue, and should be a good project this week.
Got a good team this year. They're working hard. It's only Monday. We'll see how they're holding up at the end of the week, but we're off to a good start.
Don't tell anybody I haven't done any work.
It doesn't look like any work, but there's a big rock right here. So with 4 of us, I think we're finally getting to the bottom of it.
Okay.
It's a superstar here.
No.
That's Jackhammer Maria.
Yeah.